Mahashaki. I call a big clap for our sir for welcome from Jampang English Medium School. Thank you, sir. Now,
so let me read out what the stone is written. By His grace, for His glory, Janthum English Medium Higher Secondary School. This school building inaugurated by Sri Ronel Da Burma, Honorable Chief Executive Member, TTADC, on 22nd May 2026. Constructed by Janthum Bongkoloni Rural Development Society. Now may I request our local pastor to pray opening prayer as well as dedication prayer. So to say, we have done very well. Out of total candidate, we have 11. Out of 11, 4 are got first division, rest second division. This is our final result of the board examination. And in the Madhyamik, we have 50 number of students. They have passed all. And there are 4 number of first division. Probably it may 24 or 25 are got second division. And the rest are the third division. These are the present status of our school. So, as we know that they are very ignorant, our founder member are very ignorant. They are not high educated, but they trust and believe God. And one day, the God will be do something for the school. Exactly, the God is blessing us, continue to us. That the so to say, the school, a few biography of the school.